Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I was hoping to share with you a project video, but I'm so annoyed with myself because it has been taking taking me months to finish this project for some reason. And right when I was almost done, I was looking for something for this project to finish it off, and for the life of me, I could not find what I needed for this project. I don't know where I put it. And I've been looking all weekend. So I was so annoyed with myself that I couldn't show you this project that I was supposed to finish months ago. However, I do have a small AliExpress haul that I wanted to share with you, just in case you guys are interested. And as always, I will put the link down below, just in case, you feel like buying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I bought these. They're like clay cabochons. I've seen the different ones that everybody has been buying of these. So these particular bows, there were 3 different sizes. So I got the biggest size and the medium. So I thought that they were really cute. So I'm gonna go back and buy the smaller sizes. But look at how big these are, and there's like little polka dots on them, and these are the different colors. Sorry for the noise, you guys, that they came in. And the only thing that I'm bummed with is that the quantity of each color is not the same. So of course the cute colors are basically, they only gave 3, and then they gave more of like this burgundy one. But I mean, that's what I liked about it, is that it wasn't your normal pink pastel-y colors. These are more on the darker side, but I thought they were really cute. So this is the large size, and then I think this is either the medium or small. I'm not sure, but you guys can check it out. And this here is the smaller size, and I just love them. Look at how cute the little polka dots on them. So for size reference, if I can get it, here is the smaller size, and this is the larger size. I thought they were so cute. So I picked these up here, and then I also picked up these. Now these are very similar. However, these are the pastel-y colors, and they have the little hook on them, so you can use them as a charm. So for these, you would probably glue the bell on the back of them, so that you can have it hang or dangle or whatever you choose to do. And then these have the little hook on them. So I got these ones as well. Super cute. And then I did purchase, you guys, these stars here. And they're super cute. They had more colors. They're like acrylic or plastic or whatever, but they had more colors in these here, but these are the colors that I did get. So I'll put the link down below just in case. But the good thing is there's a hole on it, so you can attach your jump ring, so you can make it as a dangle or whatever. But oh, sorry, it fell on the floor. But the good thing is that the size of them are pretty big, so in comparison to like the big heart. So I don't have nothing like this, so I'm super excited that I was able to purchase these ones. So I got that, and then I got these charms as well. Super cute. You can buy them each separately for the different colors, or you can buy them as a mixture of all these colors here. And they do come with a little hook over here, so you can hang them if you wanted to. So I thought these were super cute. And then these have been in my cart for like years, since I been shopping on AliExpress. And then I seen Bona have them, and I thought, oh my gosh, okay, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and just buy them. So I got these little coffee Starbucks cup charms, and then they have the little hook there, so you can attach your jump ring. So I got them in the pink, and I also got them, of course, in the blue. And again, they did have more colors than just these here that I purchased. So I just got them in the pink and the blue. So super adorable, right? So yeah, again, I will put all the links down below just in case you are interested to purchase them. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.